Let's go.
Hi my lovelies, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. So today guys, I have a Poundland haul for you. This Poundland haul is a collaboration with the lovely Marcia from Marcia Sunflower. So we've both been into Poundland. We picked up some bits for Easter and also Mother's Day, and we're going to be sharing them with you on our channels. So I'm not sure what Marcia's picked up. She might have picked up very similar to what I have in Poundland, because guys, Poundland are on point this year with the Easter decorations and also the Mother's Day items as well, the Mother's Day gift items as well. So my haul here is mainly, I'm going to say, a disclaimer. My haul here today is mainly the Easter items, and I've got one or two bits for the Easter but can also be used for Mother's Day, if you get what I mean, because I'm trying to utilise money. I'm trying to like be very mindful and so on, even though it's Mother's Day. I've got my mum a lovely gift already, and these bits I'm just really picked up from Poundland to show you guys what they have in store. I did do a come shop with me, so I'm going to link that in the description box below. Did a come shop with me from Poundland, featuring the Easter bits and also some of the Mother's Day bits as well. And this week I'm going to be adding some images and some footage on my Instagram stories, maybe in a reel as well, so do keep an eye out for those. My Instagram tag is just up here, Amanda Oak Ince, as I am. So I have Amanda Oak Ince and I have Amanda Oak Ince Home. So I'm mainly using the Amanda Oak Ince one rather than the Amanda Oak Ince Home. There's going to be some home content coming up very soon on the channel, so do stay tuned for that. So guys, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. If you're coming over from Marcia's channel, welcome guys. My name's Amanda. I post weekly videos very similar to Marcia's channel. I have a lifestyle channel, so shopping hauls, come shop with me. So I do a little bit of DIY, but mainly you're going to find lifestyle shopping hauls and come shop with me, all on a budget, because I do absolutely love going into the budget stores and finding amazing items. If that's your vibe, I'd love for you to stick around and hit the subscribe button and join the YouTube family. I'd love to have you here. So without further ado, let's get into today's Poundland haul. So I'm going to start with the first item, and it is, guys, this mini DIY plaster kit. Okay, so it's got a little bunny there, and it's got 3 colours of paint, and it also comes with a paintbrush. Now this was only £1, guys, so I've got this to give to my little niece over Easter, pop it into an Easter basket for her, and I'm sure she's going to absolutely love it. To be fair, Oakley saw this and he was saying, I wish they had a larger bunny. You know those ceramic bunnies that was a bit of a craze over Christmas? The plain ceramic bunny where you can drip the paint down. He was saying he really wished that this was that, you know, it's a kind of like a mini version of that. So I might go back and get one for him, even though it's quite tiny. It's just something to do over the Easter holidays, a bit of crafting. So this was only £1, okay guys. I hope it's showing up okay, because my camera doesn't seem to want to focus sometimes. So I really hope that's showing up okay for you guys. My first item. Okay, so next up, I picked up another one of these light up eggs. Now I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. I have got another one, I think it's downstairs in my living room on display already. So yeah, I picked up another one of these because they're absolutely gorgeous, guys. I've just taken off the little plastic clip underneath, and as I'm taking it out, guys, you can see that lovely glow of like yellow warm light. You know, it's so stunning, and all those intricate details on there, guys, it's absolutely amazing. So this was actually £3 in Poundland, okay, and I have still seen these in Poundland. I picked this one up a couple of days ago, and they still have quite a lot of these. So it's going to also be a gift for Mother's Day, for Easter, and it can also be a lovely decorated piece as well. Okay, so yeah, so that was there's no price on it, but I can remember that this was £3. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so next up, I just picked up a packet of these polystyrene hanging eggs. Now the reason why I picked these ones up, because they're slightly different this year. They've actually got like bits of gold leaf on them, or gold flicks on them, which I find them quite interesting. You know, they're not just your box standard polystyrene eggs, you know, and they are hanging as well, so you can just hang these up on a tree. I have a faux olive tree down in my living room, so I'm thinking to put a couple of these on there with some other decorations as well. So yeah, so this whole set came in at £1. I'm sure it was £1. I don't know if I brought it up close enough so you can see the gold flicks on there. Can you see that, guys? Lovely gold flicks on the polystyrene egg there. Because it's already hanging, guys, you can always decorate these yourself. It's only got like little bits of gold flick on there, so you can like decorate these yourselves or get your kids involved, children involved, you know. So yeah, quite good for crafting and also of course for decorating for Easter. So that's those. Okay, so next up, now I'm not sure if I got any of these last year, but I was trying to look back at my videos from last year for my Easter Poundland hauls and so on. I do remember featuring them in a Come Shop With Me, but I don't remember actually picking them up. And I think what happened last year, when I went to pick them up, they never had any left. So what I'm talking about, guys, are these gorgeous ribbed glass egg cups. How stunning are these, guys? They're absolutely beautiful. If you've been around my channel for a while, guys, you know that I absolutely love ribbed glass. Anything ribbed glass, guys. I'm actually thinking about putting some ribbed glass. You can get the plastic covering to put on my kitchen cabinet doors, you know, to give it that kind of Victorian, that kind of vintage look, I should say. You know, I absolutely love ribbed glass. I actually love ribbed glass over cut glass, like cut glass crystal, which I have got a few of those as well. But these are absolutely gorgeous, guys, and they only came in at £1. £1. Now, I only managed to get my hands on 2 of them. I'd really love to get 4 or even 6. I think 4 would be great, you know, because it's only 3 of us here in the family. So I tend to get things in 4s, and then we've got 1 left over, you know. So £1 each for these, guys. I mean, these in another store, like even like coming from Next or even just TK Maxx, these could be a lot more expensive. Now, it's a lovely detail. The roundness on it, the smoothness of the glass is just absolutely everything. Yeah, so I got 2 of those. Okay, so next up, I don't know if you guys remembered, but I picked up a set of these mini bunnies. Now this is See No Evil, Speak No Evil, and Hear No Evil. These were only £1. I think they were £1, or maybe, yeah, they were £1. I think they were, I was going to say £1.25, but I do remember them being £1. Okay, so I picked up another set of these, guys, and these are to go to someone. Okay, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and these are going to be in part of the giveaway for Easter. So we've still got a little while to go for Easter, so do stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be giving a whole set of these away. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and do make sure your notification bell is switched on, so I'm going to be giving away this and some other Poundland items, you know, just as an Easter gift, and to say thank you to all you lovely subscribers and you lovely viewers, you know, mainly the subscribers though, guys. So you guys that love to watch my videos but have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, guys. You know, you could be in the chance to win these beautiful ceramic little mini bunnies. You know, even if you win them and you're not really into it, you can like give them away, you know, give them away to your grandchild, or someone's gonna want them. But who wouldn't like these, guys? Who wouldn't like these? They're absolutely gorgeous. So I picked up another set of those for the giveaway. Okay, so that's those. And then when I went back into Poundland, they also had this larger one. Now look how gorgeous this is. You can have this large ceramic bunny to symbolise as mother, and then you can have one of these little bunnies, you know, as a child. I think that's so, so cute, you know. But this one I'm not going to be giving away. This one is for me to keep, and this one came in at £3, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. A stunning glaze on it as well, and it's got like the black and white speckles on there as well. So, so lovely. I mean, Poundland have really come through the goods this year. You know, they always do, to be fair. Had to pick that up. So the next item I picked up, guys, is another ribbed glass item. And again, it's absolutely gorgeous as well. And it is this lovely candle holder, or you can use it as a trinket holder. You know, I suppose you can even put like, you know, you can put anything in this really. But I think it has a, yeah, it's glass candle holder. Okay, but it's in the shape of a flower. Put it this way here. Lovely ribbed glass, guys, and it goes very well with the egg cup. So you can even have sugar in here, you know, and a nice little silver spoon on your, you know, Easter table, or you can use it as a candle holder. I mean, it can be used for anything because it's glass, okay? And I suppose once you use it as a candle holder, you can no longer use it as anything. But yeah, that was £1, okay? Is it £1 or £1.25? That's that. Okay, so next up, I just picked up these. Now these were, this is not quite an Easter related item, but it could be. So these are LED lights. Okay, LED lights, 100 LED lights, the warm light ones. Okay, now these were reduced. I got them each for, I think it was 30p or maybe 50p for each of them. It's got a price tag of £2 on them, so they've been reduced quite a lot. So I just picked up 2 packs of those. Now these come in handy. You know, you can wrap them around your, like, put them along your bed. You can put them around photo frames, on your mantelpiece, in between. If you're doing an Easter garland, you know, you can put these between your garland, and so on. So much uses for these LED lights. So I picked them up because they were reduced, to be fair. So both of these for £1 or under £1, absolutely amazing. Okay, so that's those. Okay, so next up, these are so cute. I had to pick these up. I absolutely love butterflies. Okay, so anything that I see, I absolutely love butterflies. You know, yeah, stunning. So when I saw these in Poundland, I just had to pick them up. Okay, so these are a set of 4 decorative clip-on butterflies. So you've got the yellow colour one there, pink one there, a turquoise colour one there, and then a blue one. So I'm just going to take off the turquoise colour one very carefully and just show you. Look how gorgeous this is, guys. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? It's got a little clip at the back, so this can be clipped. You know, you can pull it on your clothes. I'm gonna try and do this now. You can pull it on your clothes if that's your vibe. You can put it in your hair. I'm gonna ruin my hair now. If that's your vibe. You can add it to an Easter bonnet. Now, I think that's what it's really for. You know, but you can use it for multiple uses. Even if you have like a display of flowers. Poundland have got some bouquets going on in their store as well. I'm going to pop back and pick up one of their bouquets because they, you know, I was hooing and eyeing about getting it, and now I've come home. I'm thinking, why didn't I pick up that bouquet? Some lovely flowers in there, like pink flowers, and, you know, really lovely and quite realistic as well. Okay, I think the bunch was something like £5. But for example, you can just put a butterfly on one of the branches like that, and that really just carries that off for the springtime, isn't it? So 4 butterfly clips for £1. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so what else do I have to show you? Okay, so next up, I picked up a gift bag. I had to pick up a gift bag. There has some really lovely baskets in there as well, but this gift bag was everything, guys. It's so gorgeous. Look at that, guys. So gorgeous. Yep, so it's a bunny with all the floral detail going on in the hair. You know, it's absolutely stunning. It's a paper bag with that jute string handle, 100% recyclable as well. Okay, and it comes with this lovely little gift tag on it as well, and I'm sure this was £1. If I'm wrong, it could be £1.50, but again, they had a whole selection of Easter bags and lovely floral bags for Mother's Day as well. Okay, so I didn't pick up any of the gift bags for Mother's Day because I've got so many gift bags that I've recycled and repurposed. They did have a lovely, like, real floral kind of one. I mean, having said that, I didn't pick up a bag. Let me just reach over here and just show you this bag. You know, these bags are so handy. Last year, what I did for Christmas, actually, I got the Christmas bags like this out of Poundland, and I put the teachers' gifts inside these bags. You know, a bunch of flowers and some other bits and bobs. You know, something that they can reuse. So this, again, can be like a bag that you can put in, you know, you can put it into like a little hamper, roll it up, put it into a hamper for a Mother's Day gift. And, you know, Mum can use it for shopping. You know, I absolutely love this bag. I've actually got 2 of these, so I just think they're absolutely gorgeous and so spring ready, you know. So that's that. They're £1, okay, for that bag. Okay, so next up, I think there's 1 or 2 other things I want to show you, which I picked up in Poundland. Where are they? Oh yes, oh yes. Yes, guys, this is the finale. So these can be, I mean, I picked these up. These are in the homeware section. But I picked them up for Mother's Day. So I think they're absolutely gorgeous. You know, wait until you see them, guys. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere. They're stunning. So these are I've got two. I'm going to put one down. They are quite heavy. So these are, just take the elastic off of it as well. So these are beautiful lotus flower glass candle holder. Look how stunning this is, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. When I saw it on the shelf, I was like, OMG, this is definitely coming home with me. It can always be a beautiful gift to give to a girlfriend or a sister, a loved one. Absolutely stunning. And these were just £2. But like I said, I picked up two of them. Absolutely gorgeous. Guys, that's my last item from today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new for more content like this. Don't forget to check out Marcia's video and Marcia's channel. I'm going to link both of them in the description box below. So pop over and say hello to her. And if you're coming over from Marcia's channel, guys, welcome over here. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'd like to say a big thank you to all of you that have recently subscribed to my channel and been commenting and sharing the love. Is absolutely amazing, guys. I've got a lot going on at the minute. There's some big things happening on the channel, but I can't really disclose it as yet. I know I don't even want to say it because I'm one of those people that if I say something, I don't want to get jinxed or anything. So do stay tuned, okay, guys? So thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. It's time for the thumbnail.
Let's go.